Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fresh pesto. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 small garlic cloves, and a blend of 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan and Pecorino Romano cheeses. A pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will complete our flavor profile. These simple components combine to create a truly vibrant sauce. Now let's get to the preparation. First, gently toast your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until they are lightly golden and fragrant. This really brings out their flavor. Then, in a food processor, combine the basil, toasted pine nuts, and garlic cloves. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil until the mixture is smooth and emulsified. Finally, add the grated cheeses and pulse just a few times to incorporate them. To achieve the best pesto, here are a few helpful tips. If using a food processor, be careful not to overprocess, as this can make the basil bitter and warm the oil. For a truly traditional texture, consider using a mortar and pestle. Always taste your pesto before serving and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. For an even brighter green color, you can briefly blanch the basil leaves. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also enhance the flavors. Once your delicious fresh pesto is ready, proper storage is key. Transfer it to an airtight container. To prevent browning, pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the surface before sealing. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. For longer storage, freeze pesto in ice cube trays, then transfer the frozen cubes to a freezer bag. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a flavorful topping for roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.